everyone! Today we're learning how to say what you want in English. By the end, you'll confidently say, I want, for anything you like. Let's go!
I want some rice. I want some rice.
I want a new bag.
I want a new bag.
I want a blue pen. I want a blue pen. I want a small cake. I want a small cake. I want a new phone. I want a new phone. I want a big house. I want a big house.
I want a red dress. I want a red dress.
I want some juice. I want some juice. I want ice cream. I want ice cream. I want milk. I want milk. I want coffee. I want coffee. I want tea. I want tea.
I want bread. I want bread.
I want fruit. I want fruit. I want to play football. I want to play football. I want to watch TV. I want to watch TV. I want to read a book. I want to read a book. I want to sing a song. I want to sing a song. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. I want to swim. I want to swim. I want to travel. I want to travel. I want to buy shoes. I want to buy shoes. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. I want to eat pizza. I want to eat pizza. I want to study math. I want to study math.
I want to clean my room. I want to clean my room.
I want to open the door. I want to open the door. I want to write a letter. I want to write a letter. I want to draw a picture. I want to draw a picture. I want to ride a bike. I want to ride a bike.
I want to be happy. I want to be happy.
I want to cook dinner. I want to cook dinner. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher. I want a chocolate bar. I want a chocolate bar. I want to go to the park. I want to go to the park. I want a colorful balloon. I want a colorful balloon. I want to build a sandcastle. I want to build a sandcastle. I want a teddy bear. I want a teddy bear. I want to sleep. I want to sleep.
If you found this lesson helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.